On All Pinoy, we bring you the harmony and heart of Formula 5. Known for their rich vocal blend and honest stories, this exciting group turns every performance into a meaningful musical moment. Catch Formula 5 on All Pinoy, only here on All Radio 103.5.
We're so happy to be here. Nako, sa mga nanonood dyan, welcome po sa All Pinoy. Only here on All Radio 103.5. You can also watch us on All Radio 103.5 on their Facebook page. And of course, All Radio TV sa Planet Cable Channel 3. Now, kumusta kayo, boys?
Yes. We're doing great. Actually, mapapakilala muna kami.
Yes.
My name is Kirby.
My name is Sean.
My name is Kier and
Ako naman po si Frank. And together, we call ourselves
Formula 5.
Kamusta kayo kagabi?
Okay naman.
Yan,
Okay
ako,
naman.
fresh na
So,
fresh po from, of course, Nation Builders and Must Live Awards 2025. Thank you so much for awarding us. For awarding us, of course, the Global Rising Performing Artist
Of
parang
the
ano
year.
naman,
Thank
grabe
you so
naman.
much.
Nako, thank you. Nako, simulan na natin tong kantahan na to, everybody. And if you guys ay nanonood dito ngayon sa All Radio, nako, just comment down below dyan sa mga nanonood on social media, no? And also, nako, don't forget to follow us on our social page. Here's our
Yes.
next song, no? Itong next song natin.
Yes.
Ang kakanta nito, isa sa aming mga songwriters, our resident songwriter, Kier.
Para sa lahat ng mga taong ginos, para sa lahat ng mga taong hindi pinili tulad ko noon. Ay,
Uy.
joke lang. Grabe naman. From the band Cup of Joe, this song is called Magda. On a different version. At baka sakaling nawawalik madalang, ba't nababahala? Di ba't ako'y mag-isa? Kala ko'y payapa, boses mo'y tumatawag. Di naman na ang lahat, di nagpanaman na kinsukat, ngunit pagbalantin ito pa rin. Hirap na kong intindihin, tanging panalangin, panubayan na sana. Dahil sa bawat tingin, mukha mo'y nakikita. At kahit saan man mapunta ang anino mo'y kumakapit sa'king kamay, ako'y dahan-dahan pinilipin ng buhay pa. Hindi na magkandaya, dinadalaw mo kung bawat gabi. Wala nang nakikita, hapos mo'y ramdam pa rin sa dilim. Hindi na nanaginip, hindi na magtitising, pasandaya na nanilaw. Pinagdon ako ng damdamin ko, ng damdamin ko. Ng damdamin ko. Hindi mo ba ako lilisanin? Hindi pa ba sapat pagpapahirap sa'kin? Hindi na ba mamamaya pa? Hindi na ba? Hindi na ba ako lilisanin? Hindi pa ba sapat pagpapahirap sa'kin? Hindi na ba mamamaya pa? Hindi na ba? Bakit na tinatalo mo ko bawat gabi?
Yes, there you have it.
Grabe
It's
naman.
Kier.
Yes, Kier.
Hello
Yes,
po,
our
everyone.
one and only songwriter.
Yes. One and only song.
One and only.
Grabe
Wow.
naman yun. Opo.
Yeah, siya pa yung sumusulat ng mga kanta ng Formula 5.
Yes.
Ewan ko, bakit
Yes.
nakaka-relate ako sabi ni Kirby kanina, pang ilang kanta ba yung
Yes. Pero guys, bakit pa tayo tinawag ng Formula 5?
Bakit nga ba,
apat
Kirby?
lang tayo eh.
Oo nga.
'Di ba?
Oh, on a lighter note, 'di ba, ang Formula 5 pag sinispell out mo yung 5, F-I-V-E.
Oh, tas
Apat
apat.
lang.
4 letters.
Apat lang yun.
Tama,
Oo.
tama.
Tapos
tama.
pag Tagalog din naman,
Lima.
L-I-M-E.
Yes,
Apat
apat pa rin
yun.
naman.
Hindi, meron talagang explanation.
Meron talaga
Ah.
explanation.
Ano yun?
Ano yung explanation
Kasi
nun?
di ba, first, second, third, fourth, yung mga nanonood mo nagsusupport, ang tawag natin sa kanila,
Fifth. Yes.
kaya Formula, fifth.
Kasi they're always, Formula 5th, kasi they're always a part of us. Diba?
Yes.
Hindi lang sila basta supporters, kasi they're always part of the journey na
Yes.
tinatahak natin.
Part of the family.
Kumbaga sa puzzle, hindi mabubuo. Kung walang kayo.
Fifth.
Kung wala
Kung wala
kayo,
kayo,
kung
yes.
wala
Kung wala
kayo
kayo.
dyan.
And dahil nga doon, gusto ko
Pero
na rin.
grabe, no? We've come a long way. Imagine,
Yeah.
just last night, we just received another award. And remember,
Yes.
1.5 years na tayo magkakasama. Ang dami nating napagdaanan.
Totoo,
Mhm.
grabe.
Yan.
Opo.
Tsaka sobrang, we're so honored na
Stood
syempre,
the test of time.
we stood the test of
Ah.
time.
Yes.
Yun. So,
And it
I
only
guess-
shows how people get really into our music, na-appreciate nila na pagtapos natin awardan kagabi, sabi nung isa doon, uy, invite namin kayo ulit sa iba pang mga ganap, diba? Like,
Yes.
and like katulad ni Sam who invited us over here.
Here,
diba?
yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Kasi
much.
First to
nakarating
all
us.
radio, syempre
Yes,
for
all
Yes,
radio.
hosting
thank you
us.
so much.
Thank you so much for having us.
Kayo po ang unang
Mga
guesting
naniniwala
namin
sa amin.
after the award from Nation Day.
Yes,
Thank you
yes.
so much.
Grabe.
We're so happy to be here. And now, of course, I'd like to sing to you our next song for today. Na syempre ako, I'll be singing a cover, of course, sa mga 90s kids dyan, sa mga 2000s kids dyan. If you remember this song, Let Me Be the One.
Ikaw naman.
Ako naman ang
Ah.
kakantang yan. So, Let Me Be the One. This is by Jimmy Bondoc. Somebody told me, I don't know why. Somebody told me you're unhappy, but it doesn't show. Somebody told me that you fell out of love with me, so I'm setting you free. Every night, somebody told me you've been dying, but they're war to find. Nobody told me that you fell out of love from me, so I'm setting you free. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need a final setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was through, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you I love you one last time. And goodbye. need time to fly. Somebody told me that you want to come back when our love is real again. Let me be the one to break it up so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need a final setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was through, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye, just turn around and walk away. You don't have to live like this, no. But if you love me still, then stay. Don't keep me waiting for that final kiss. We can work together through this test, or we can work through it apart. I just need to get this off my chest, 'cause you will always have my heart. Let me be the one. Let me be the one to break it up so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need a final setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was through, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye. Let me be the one.
That is
Yeah.
Frank for you guys.
Yes, that's Let Me Be the
Ang
One.
sakit naman ng mga kanta.
Diba?
Oo.
Sobrang
Nako,
sakit.
and if you want to hear more songs from us, of course, you can catch us on our social media page on Facebook and on Instagram and on TikTok. We are FLM Formula 5.
Yes.
Ayan.
And you are still tuned in to All Pinoy at dito lang yan sa All Radio 103.5.
Yes, napapapanood nyo rin yan sa All Radio 103.5 Facebook page at sa All Radio TV sa Planet Cable Channel 3.
Yes. Ayun, for my next song naman, I'll be singing my own original song.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, oo. At sinulat po siya ni Kier. And
Ay, ako
it's,
pala yun.
Feeling
Ikaw
ko
ba?
masakit yan.
Oo, kasi siya yung sumulat.
Oo.
And speaking of masakit, kasi this talks about, this song is about letting go of something that's hurting you. Kasi the more you hold on to it, mas masasaktan ka. That's why this song is
Called?
Hayaan. beses bang itataya ang sarili? Ilang beses ba bago unawain na mahirap pag ikaw lang ang nagmamahal at ang takot na sumugay sa paghilom ay kay tagal at tingin ang nais sambitin. Hayaan daan sa witin ang pagod na puso. Hanggang dito na lamang ang tayo. At kung sakaling pagtagpuin muli ang naglayo tadhana, pipiliin patawaran kakalimutan na nasimulan at hahayaan mong matuyo ang luha. Di ba rin alam? Di ba rin alam? Sabi pa noon ay di iwanan. Inantay mo lang pala kung bumitaw, pero tingin ang nais sambitin. Idaan sa witin na una kang sumuko. Inakalang ang dulo ay tayo. At kung sakaling magpagtakuin muli ang nangayong tadhana, pipiliin patawarin kakalimutan lang nasimulan at hahayaan matuyo ang luha. Di ba rin alam? Di ba rin alam? At kung sakaling magtagpuin muli ang naglayong tadhana, pipiliin patawarin kakalimutan ang nasimulan. Hayaan mo na matuyo ang luha. Di bale na lang. Di bale na lang. Di bale na lang. Di bale na lang.
Grabe naman yung di ba?
Galing. Yun.
So that was Hayaan title, hindi di balit na lang ha.
Hayaan by Kirby
Hayaan.
Bass. Available on all
Naku,
music
invite
platforms.
muna natin sila no sa mga shows natin itong coming Saturday. We'll be opening for Miss Joey Albert's 45th anniversary
Yes,
concert.
yes.
Called
And-
45 kami pong mag-o-open yan.
Yes, sa Newport po yan.
Sa Newport Performing Arts Theater.
And of course, for May 22 naman is
22.
our first ever major concert.
Formula
Yes.
5 Frequency ang title ng concert
Yes.
namin. Ako,
Yes.
don't forget to get your tickets at tickettome.net, and also you can go to our social media for more ticket details. Ito
Yes.
naman.
Yes.
O ano na yung next song?
Mapapa.
Ako naman, ito naman sa akin. Medyo masakit kasi sa kanila. So, i-break natin yung mga mag-upbeat tayo konti. So,
Yes.
I'll give you Dancing with a Stranger with Sam Smith po.
Yes.
somebody who can take control. I know exactly what I need to do. No, I don't wanna be alone tonight, alone tonight, alone tonight. Look what you made me do. I'm with somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Look what you made me do. I'm with somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Dancing with the strangers. I wasn't even going out tonight, but girl, I need to get you off my mind. I know exactly what I have to do. I don't wanna be alone tonight, alone tonight, alone tonight. Look what you made me do. I'm with somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, dancing with a stranger. Look what you made me do. I'm with somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, dancing with a stranger. Dancing with the strangers. Dancing with the strangers. Dancing, yeah. Look what you made me do. I'm with somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Look what you made me do. I'm with somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Dancing with the strangers. Dancing with the strangers. Dancing, yeah. Ayun, para mag-get-light mo na mood bago natin kanta yung final song natin.
Maraming salamat po. Once again, we are Formula 5. Ako po si Kier.
Ako po si Frank.
Ako si Kirby.
Ako po si Sean.
Once we are
Formula 5.
Thank you so much, All TV.
Yes, for having
Because
us.
dito sa All Radio,
kayo ang number
One! Dapat sabay-sabay yun.
Sabay-sabay.
Ulit. Oh, kami po ang Formula 5. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Kami po ang Formula 5. At
dito sa All...
Tamo. At dito sa... Ano ba?
Ayan.
Ayan. Oh, one more time. One last. Okay. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Kami po ang Formula 5. At dito sa All Radio.
Kayo ang number one!
Ayun.
Are you ready for some miracle? Here we go.
Harap ko makita kang naglalaro sa buwan. Hinalay mo sa akin na gabing walang hangganan. Hindi mahanap sa lupang pag-asa. Nakikiusap himala kasalanan. Humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala kasalanan. Humingi ako sa langit ng isang